When humans leave a plant community undisturbed in a region for a very long time, then the vegetation growth which we see is called natural vegetation of that area, because it has grown naturally without human intervention. Now, when we talk about India, we have four major categories of natural vegetation: evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorn and scrub forest, and montane forest. Now, among these, thorn and scrub forest is very hardy. It can survive very harsh conditions. So let's see what exactly is a thorn and scrub forest. So when we talk about thorn and scrub vegetation, it's mostly thorny bushes and very few trees. So in the case of thorn and scrub vegetation, we see that it is mostly thorny bushes. You will see very less trees or very few trees. So these thorny bushes are the ones which can survive the harsh climate in which this type of vegetation grows. So plants can survive on very little water for months in thorn and scrub type of forest. So what is the unique characteristic of this particular type of forest? Well, it has plants that can survive on very little water for months, and that is why in very dry areas in our country we find thorn and scrub vegetation, because they can survive even with very short supply of water. So plants in dash type of vegetation can survive on very little water. So what is this particular vegetation which can survive on very little water? What do you think? Well, it is thorn and scrub. So thorn and scrub type of vegetation is the vegetation which can survive on very little water. So when we talk about thorn and scrub vegetation, which are the major types of trees or shrubs which you can find in this region? Well, we have kikar, babool and date palms. So kikar looks something like this. Again, it's very thorny because it needs to survive with very less amount of water. Similarly, even babool is another thorny vegetation, and it also can survive with very small amount of water. And then we have date palms. Date palms are also found only in very dry areas, and these are also type of thorn and scrub vegetation. So kikar, babool and date palms are common trees found in thorn and scrub forest. And where do we find thorn and scrub forest in our country? Well, desert areas of Rajasthan, dry areas of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu have this type of vegetation. So dry areas of these states usually have thorn and scrub vegetation. And what is the unique quality of thorn and scrub vegetation? Well, it can survive in very harsh climates, that is very dry climates. So plants in thorn and scrub vegetation usually require very less water to survive, and that is why they are able to survive even in desert areas of Rajasthan and Gujarat. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept.
Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.